In this video, I am going to show how to find unlimited topics for YouTube videos with ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT and ask any question. I am going to ask, tell me 10 sub niche of personal finance niche. Then ChatGPT will give me 10 sub niche of personal finance. Then I am going to ask, tell me 5 YouTube video idea about one of the sub niche. I am going to choose retirement planning. Now ChatGPT will give me 5 YouTube video idea about retirement planning. Now I am going to ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script for retirement planning for couples, coordinating your strategies. I have given him a command of write a 500-word script about these topics. ChatGPT will now give me a nice, precise YouTube script about retirement planning for couples, coordinating your strategies. This is how you can make unlimited video ideas with ChatGPT. This can be any niche such as entertainment, food, how to, top 10, etc. This is how you can make and generate unlimited ideas for YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.